Hello everyone, welcome to Keto Alicious, and today I'm in my kitchen. I am going to make another easy recipe called Keto Stuffed Mini Green Peppers. It is getting to be that time of year where it is hot. I have my summer outfit on. I'm ready to be out in the sun. And the last thing that people want to do when it's hot is cook. So this week I have taken the initiative to make a lot of things that are easy to cook, easy to barbecue if you do decide to cook, or some things that are super easy that you can take with you wherever you go and you can make in under 5 minutes. So hang on with me and I'll show you how to make them. This is about as easy as it gets, and my camera is low, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I have some, Stone Mill Kitchens, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, spicy red pepper, 3 cheese spread. And on the back of the ingredients, let's see. Ooh, I need my glasses on. It has one carb in there. So this is pretty safe, and that is for 2 tablespoons of serving. So you guys can put this on these little tiny, look at these, on my little tiny, I'm gonna bring it back to me, and all right, so at least you can see me. I will just grab these. I'm going to spread them, take the lid off of this, and I am just going to, I cut these in half, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this spread and just fill them in. Now you guys can take a look at your local grocery stores, wherever you're shopping. If you have something that you prefer better, that's fine. And did you know that you can eat, scoop, double dip, and re-scoop in your own kitchen if you're the only one that's eating it? So go for it. Try it. This is really good. Don't do this if you have friends or you're cooking for anybody else. But that's how easy it is. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to lay these down, and I got some that I cut out all the stems or the seeds, and I don't put a lot in it. I just put enough to just cover the base of it so that you just, you have something nice. What a great appetizer if you're looking for something fun, if you're going to a party. You want to stay on your keto lifestyle or your low-cal lifestyle. By all means, these would be the thing to do. All right, so I've got some orange, I've got some yellow, and I've got some red. And I'm just gonna fill these little babies up, make them as pretty as you can. Put them on this little beautiful tray. I'll show them to you here when I'm finished. And continue to do that. You could do this for a whole group of people, or you could just make a few for yourself. These are bite-sized, you can take them with you. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, let's do another red. Scooping this up, putting this in here. This is so easy. A little child could do it. And it is a great snack, or even use it as a meal. You're getting your carbs, you're getting your protein, you're getting some fats. Just keep track of your fats and your proteins. And if you guys haven't had a way to do that, make sure and check out the Carb Manager. That's what I use. Not saying that's the only one, but that's a good one. And keep filling these up. And this is how simple it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those. Gorgeous. So easy. How fast did we do those? 2 minutes? Maybe 2 minutes. And if you have it on your fingers, it's okay to lick it off. Kitchen is a fun place to work. So there you go, guys. Super easy. You could take bigger ones, bigger green peppers, and you could also do the same if you don't have the small ones. Slice them up into triangular sizes. You can also take these if you want to and don't cut them. Just keep them whole. Cut the top off, keep them whole, and stuff them with these. And then you have those. You can also use them as skewers. You could take a skewer and skewer each one of those and lay that on a plate. It'd be beautiful. Nice presentation. You can also serve these. You can have these in your refrigerator for a snack. These are amazing. So I hope you guys try them. Keto stuffed mini bell peppers. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, see you later.